No. Oh gosh, Adam. How's Still and Chinook doing?
Huh?
How's Still and Chinook doing?
Alright. We're on the trail.
Yeah, what are you looking at? What are you looking at? Yeah, that's water. He's like, I want some. Shadow, no, don't jump down in there.
Not too much, boy. Let's go. Let's go, that's enough. Come on.
Come on, Shadow. Come on.
Be ready.
Ooh, you don't drink out of that one. Come on. Oh, crap. Whew. A little muddy down through here. A little muddy down through here. Yeah, we're behind. We're behind. Let's catch up. Let's catch up. Come on, Shadow. Come on. Whoa. Oh, where? Oh, we can't run anymore. Shadow probably could, but I can't. Never tired. Alright, guys. Easy. Can't jump in there. He's like, I want to jump in there, please. Please. Please don't jump in there, please. You can't, I'm sorry. I love you. Pretty back here. Isn't it, Shadow? He's like, I'd like it better if there was snow on the ground. I would too. Finally catching up. I see him. Yay! Lost but now found. Alright, Shadow. I think they're starting to take a break now. Yep. Phew. Yep, there they all are. I'm like, where you been? Yeah, I don't blame him.
This is Shell Toy Trail right here.
Oh, cool.
See the turtle?
Where? Turtle.
See the turtle on that post? See that white sign there?
Oh, yeah.
See that turtle?
Yeah.
Shell Toy Trail.
Cool.
Go here, crosses back in here.
Now, we're walking up a really steep hill. Oh, Lord. My dad is even further than me. Even Shadow's further than me. Oh, hallelujah. Looks like we're reaching the top. Yeah, where it's gonna be flat. what happened was I started kind of running. And yeah, getting a little tired. Now I'm walking. What? Yeah? A little rough. Great. I just took a couple minutes to take off my jacket, and I don't know, but if you can see the orange. Oh, now I can't. Now I can't see it. Used to be. That was my dad. Way further than us. I was like, man, I wish I didn't have this boost behind me, or I would be up there flying. Shadow, I love you. I love you, Shadow. Shadow, I love you. Do you love me? Yes, a good boy. Yeah. Good boy. All right. See how steep that is. Gosh, oh. It's pretty, though. Ain't it, Shadow? Huh, Shadow? Shadow. Ain't it? Ain't it pretty? Yeah. He thinks it's pretty. Just had our water break. Still walking. We've all slowed down now. Yeah. Still though, still going. Pretty quick. Yeah. I don't know. Look at the leaves all shining. Very pretty out through here. Yeah. Well, hang on, Shadow. Huh?
Turn back.
Doesn't matter. Let's turn around. Let's turn around, guys.
That's the way we can.
I switched to steel and I think I shouldn't have.
Yeah, he's pulling pretty hard.
Come on, Steel, get out of that water. Come on, that's nasty.
Go. Go for it, boy.
Snook and Shadow walking together. Say hi, Snook. Like I'm too busy trying to pull. Steel always thinks he has to be in front. Steel always thinks he has to be in front. Probably should have stuck with Shadow. Probably should have stuck with Shadow. Or Chinook. Phew.
Easy, boy. Don't get in a hurry. Follow downhill. Feel a little better.